Well friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Arknights Endfield game releasing resources error while playing the game. So if you are also going through this kind of error, just follow the methods one by one. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if the game is or the error is resolved or not, because restarting has the potential to fix any kind of issues that you're coming across while playing the game. But if the restarting of your PC doesn't resolve the issue, you are suggested to restart the game once. So you are suggested to close the game completely, and after that launch the game once again and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, then the next method is to verify game files. So what you need to do is just go to the launcher, that is exe file, and open it. And after it opens, here you can see 3 line icon. You have to click on it and then click on check game integrity and then click on start checking. So what this will do is it will scan for missing or corrupted files, and the repair process may take some time, so you have to wait for some time. And after the game integrity is done completely, or the files checking is done, to now check if the issue is resolved or not that you are coming across. If not, next you are suggested is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to the file explorer. Now go to the Epic Games. Here open the game folder. Here is the game launcher. Just simply right click on it and you can run this program as an admin. If the game opens without any error, well and good. Otherwise you have to run the game as administrator. So for that, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check whether the issue is resolved or not. Or else come back again, select disable full screen optimizations and click on apply and OK, and then check if the problem is fixed. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of this, hit on apply and OK, and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to reinstall the game. So what you need to do is you have to reinstall the game once. For that, go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on the 3 dot icon, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. Now after the game is removed, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, again reinstall Arknights Endfield game, and then try to play the game and check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.